Welcome. This is my third video, and I'm still figuring things out. I was able to upload links last time. I was able to write a little more in my description and actually make a full video instead of just a short. So that's progress. For me, that's definitely progress. Uh, I also, in my last video, gave you why I was doing this and some great links on how to get started with some excellent content creators. This time we're going to be talking about creating a thumbnail. Last time I just clicked on a picture that YouTube provided with me as part of my role, but I had no idea that how to create a thumbnail that is a little more appealing and catchier with some words on them. So I found a woman, her name is Virginia Kerr, and I'm going to put a link below on how to make thumbnails. She gave a really great quick tutorial, very simplified. It was super easy. I know I need to, tune it up a little more and practice, but I think you'll really enjoy it. So if you're not sure about how to make a thumbnail, please check the link below. It was definitely much easier than I thought. So I hope that these videos are going to give you a roadmap and just see like you're starting from the very beginning and know that you can just be very raw and get started. I wanted you to see an example of someone who's kind of stumbling around and trying to figure it out, and I'm not worried exactly about how I look. I was cleaning today, so I said, well, I'm going to make my video no matter how I look. And I just encourage you to try it. You're going to, no matter what happens, no matter what the outcome is, no matter how many views you get or don't get, you're going to grow through the process. And it's such a great learning process, trying something new and really stretching yourself. And you can definitely do it. And I'm going to remind you of the fortune cookie that encouraged me to go ahead and hit the post button. Your journey is blessed with opportunities for growth. And I guarantee you that no matter what happens, you will definitely grow through this process. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.